Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So we're out with a mauler today, but this time we have a Hobbywing 1080 in here because I replaced the 1060 because I've heard so many good things about people running the 1080s. I thought, yeah, I've got to give it a go, and from what I can see so far, it's bloody brilliant. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a quick video around here, just outside the house, and have a little play. But the main difference, after I made a couple of changes on the SC, is coming downhill, not freewheeling so much anymore. And it's a lot smoother as well, which is a good thing. So yeah, I'm really pleased with it. That was 40 quid well worth spending, that's for sure. Very, very smooth. See, it's coming down like that. Now you can come down on the throttle rather than just on the drag brake and then trying to just put a bit of throttle and then he would just run down like a gazelle. So he's yeah, there's a lot more controls now. Very happy with it. Yeah, it's coming down like this. See, nice and easy on the throttle. That's the main difference I found, and the smoothness as well compared to the 1060, and the fact obviously you can do like 15. You've got different 15 different adjustments you can do on the SC, which is really good. So I'm out with the 4.5 milliamp 3S, just for that bit of extra oomph, which is always good. So yeah, hope you guys are all well and are having a nice weekend, given all the misery we've got in the world at the moment. See, that coming down like that, this is where he's really, really good now. Really good. Try and come down a different way, but I'm not sure that's going to happen. We'll see what happens down here. Oh yeah. Look at this. This is the bit I like now, coming downhill. So yeah guys, just a quick video. Thank you very much for watching, and yeah, leave a like and comment down below, and yeah, we'll see you next time, very shortly hopefully.